Hello class, today we're going to take a look at adjectives and adverbs and try to see the difference between these two word classes. Can anyone tell us what an adjective is? Yes, Alfred.
An adjective is something that describes something.
Very good, Alfred. Can you give us an example as well?
A red ball. A red is the adjective.
Good, Alfred. So an adjective is something that describes a noun.
What is a noun?
Can anyone tell Nicky what a noun is? Yes, Sheldon.
A noun can be a place, a person, or an animal. It is substantive in Swedish.
Very good, Sheldon. Okay, so an adjective tells us something about quality, good or bad, how something looks, big or small, or nationality, where a person or animal comes from, British, American, Swedish, etc. Okay, now we move on to the adverbs. But we're going to walk through this in a different way. So if everyone could take out the pencils and notebooks. Now I want to write the first word you think about when I say the word adverb. But I want you to do it fast. You have 5 seconds from now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody please put down your pencils. Thank you. Okay, Oscar. Could you please tell us what you wrote?
Run. Well, run is actually a verb. What have you written, Penny? Usain Bolt runs fast. Very good, Penny. Which word in your sentence is the adverb? I am not sure, but I guess it is fast. Yes, Penny. Very good. The word fast describes how Usain Bolt runs. Okay, so now we know what an adverb. Okay, so now we know that an adverb describes a verb. But unfortunately, it is not that easy. Adverbs can answer these questions. How? For example, well, bad, politely. How much of something? Very, extremely. The question when, now, then, yesterday. And the question where, here, there, everywhere. So, as we said earlier, adverbs can describe a verb. But an adverb can also describe an adjective. For example, she is a very good singer. The adverb very describes the adjective good. To make you even more confused, adverb can also describe another adverb. For example, she sings extremely well. Here, the adverb extremely describes the other adverb well. They both are adverbs because they describe how she sings. Okay, now I will try to give you a short summary of what we just have said. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, a red house. Leonard is happy. An adverb, on the other hand, describes a verb, drive slowly. An adjective, Zlatan is a very good football player. But it can also describe another adverb, she did it really well.
Activity. Teacher. Okay, so now we're going to play a little game that includes the two word classes, adjectives and adverbs. The goal of the game is to decide if a specific word in a sentence is an adjective or an adverb. You will be placed in groups of 3 and get a bunch of cards with one sentence on each card. In the sentences there will be one underlined word, and your mission is to decide if the word is an adjective or an adverb. So player 1 draws a card and chooses the word class. If it is correct, player 1 gets 1 point. But if the player also can explain why the word is an adjective or an adverb, the player gets 3 points. On the back of the card you will find the right word class and a description. Then the turn goes on clockwise to the next player. The first person to reach 10 points will win the game.